Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing fine and staying safe with this pandemic. Today we are going to see one more mock card 2021 May to August cue card, and that is on a time when many people were smiling. Okay, so it's not only smiling, it can be people laughing as well, because smiling is related to laughing. So don't worry and don't stick that smiling itself means just you know lips not showing teeth, nothing like that. Smiling can be laughing, being happy, joyous, excited. Okay, so all these comes under laughing, because if you're happy, if you're joyous, of course you are smiling and laughing, as you can see these people. Okay, so you can describe anything. When you cracked a joke amongst your friends, everyone started smiling or laughing. When you were watching a comedy show, movie, film, concert, laughing. When a child was doing something, it made everyone in the house laugh. So many people means even if 4 or 5 members or 6 members or 7 members are there in your house, then it is people were smiling. Okay, so all these ideas you can include when you are giving the answer for this cue card. So as always, don't worry about the idea, just be on the topic and try to express as many as vocabulary relating to being happy, being smiling, being laughing. Okay, so idioms, rolling out laugh, holding the stomach, showing the teeth, all these idiomatic language can be used while answering this cue card. So let's see how can we answer with a sample and vocabularies. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are notified with all the latest prediction of June exams, cue cards, the essays that are expected to come in June month, as well as all the essay templates for general and academic task 1 and task 2. Along with that, there is one more thing that I wanted to announce to you guys, and that is that we are conducting a free webinar for IELTS reading from 2nd June at 7 p.m. Indian time. So people who are interested can join us by messaging us on WhatsApp in the number given in the description box or in the video. So this is our cue card. Describe an occasion when many people were smiling. You should say when it happened, who you were with, what happened, and why were they smiling. Okay, so when and where, what actually happened that made everyone smile. So here is the sample we are going to introduce. First, you need to give a background, 1 or 2 lines or 3 lines background to kick start your answer and get you some time to think, build up, and then go into the topic. Okay, so introduce, and then when and with who you were there will already be interrelated, so you can complete that. So in this mechanic and cutthroat competitive world, it's hard to come across people who are all smiles. So all smiles means always smiling, keeping it light, being happy. So I'm starting by saying that in this hectic work schedule, in this competitive world, people who smile, who are jovial, are very difficult to meet. Okay, it is very difficult to see such people in today's world. But whenever they get a chance, they try hard to grin. So grin means smile, a light smile. Nevertheless, today I would like to share with you an incident which not only made me grin from ear to ear. Grin from ear to ear means a very big smile. Literally not, your lips are not touching your ears. It's just an idiomatic language that we use that means a very broad and big smile. Not only made me grin from ear to ear, but everyone with me were jovial and showing their teeth. So that means they were laughing aloud. It was the occasion of my brother's wedding. He lives in India but went to Rome for destination wedding to get married, and all the relatives bombarded there for the occasion. So everyone just bombarded. So gate crashed. You can even say gate crashed or something like that. The celebration was organized at the most expensive resort of the country, which was beautifully adorned with light, chandeliers, and flowers. To be honest, the decoration was just royal, and we were impressed. Our parents were greeting all the guests wearing a huge smile. Okay, so wearing a huge smile, again a phrasal language. Wearing a huge smile means they were greeting people with a good smile, with a happy face. And it was such a delightful moment since we had seen them after ages. Okay, so you can see I have used various vocabulary to show smiles. All smiles, grin from ear to ear, showing their teeth, wearing a huge smile. So if you're not getting the synonyms of exactly word smile, use adjectives or adverbs. Use some words, add some words to show the variation. Okay. Then what happened? So what happened and why the people were smiling? It was such a great celebration, and there were arrangements of all sorts for guests, especially food and drinks. What interested and gripped the guest was the finger-licking food that was bringing a subtle twinkle to every face. Subtle twinkle means, quite a small smile, but a good smile, a happy smile. And the important wedding cake was the center of attraction that was making those who were present beam with excitement and emotion. Beam with excitement and emotion means their face was lighted with happiness, with excitement, like a light. But the main reason for making everyone hold their stomach, that means when you laugh aloud, your stomach starts to ache. So holding their stomach is a phrasal, idiomatic language. Was my brother had invited a famous Indian comedian for the entertainment of guests who was making everyone burst into laughter. So he was making everyone laugh with his hilarious jokes. But the breaking point for all was, so point for all was means when they just can't hold their excitement, they can't hold their smile, was the time when my brother put the wedding ring on his bride. Everyone in the hall were just having a pleasant and emotional smile, which were thousand words in themselves. Seeing around 80 people all together having same sort of happiness and smile was just outstanding for me, and I can't express the feeling in words right now. So it was so emotional, so exciting that I can't express them in words. Now I will conclude. I have said everything. I have covered the bullet points. I think 1 minute is over, so I will go on concluding. But yes, I can't say that there were no plastic smiles. So now I want to show some negative also. Some people may have fake smiles. So I also want to show my vocab skills. So I'm just including like that. I can't say that there were no plastic smiles. Plastic smiles means fake smile on the occasion, but they were ignorable as there were dozens of camera all around to ensure they were looking smart and cheerful. All guests were wearing a smile on their face, be it authentic or forced. So because in front of camera people like to have a smile, whether it was real or forced, they only know, but they were all wearing a smile, having a smile. That day, everyone was extremely happy for the newly wedded couple, and for that reason, there were smiles all around. And I found it to be the place where I saw lots of people with simple face. Simple face means very bright, happy, jovial face. So these are the words that you can use while you are answering the question related to happiness, joyness, or smile or laugh. Hope this video helped. Do go to the playlist of speaking practice and practice all the cue cards that may come in June and August. It will help you to prepare the intonation, vocabulary, as well as how you should construct your answer in a cohesive manner. For other essay templates also, you can watch our channel. Please subscribe and like, and do not forget to attend the free reading webinar for 6 days that is going to start on 2nd June. Please contact on the number given. Thank you. Have a safe time.